Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, maybe not. Hi guys, I'm Kayla, fashion and beauty producer at Revelist, and today I'm going to show you how to apply highlighter. Using highlighter in your makeup routine is key to achieving a radiant look. However, a touch of perfectly placed highlighter can help instantly open up the look of your eyes and define your face. So, if you're looking to get your glow on, I've got you covered. While highlighter is the best way to illuminate your look, the key is to apply it to the areas where light naturally hits your face. The most popular area is the high points of your cheeks. Gently apply the highlighter to your cheeks in a circular motion. Using a fan brush diffuses the powder for a more subtle effect. Highlighting the bridge of your nose will also enhance your look. Lightly apply the highlighter in a thin line from the top of your nose down to the ball of your nose. Use a narrow and dense brush to ensure precision. Highlighting under the brow bone is a great way to accentuate the arch of your brow. You can illuminate and sculpt the area below your arches with an eyeshadow brush. Make sure to blend the highlighter to create an even finish. Adding an inner corner highlight as a finishing touch is a great way to make your eyes pop. By using a precision brush, add a minimal amount of highlighter into your inner corner. This also brightens up your eyes. And that is how you create an illuminating finish so that the glow gods approve. Let us know which part of your face you enjoy highlighting the most down in the comments, and we will see you next time. Bye!